guys, welcome back to Ash Hudson. It's gonna be a very short video, but I got some spicy hot Cheetos. So I'm gonna get a small one. And let's try it.
Next, this moment where Gabby broke the chair, we need to add the sound of a chair breaking. Does this sound like a chair breaking?
Oh, that's hot. I need to eat an apple. Grab. 3, 2, 1.
How about this sound? Is this the sound of a chair breaking? No, that was a party horn.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
Chair breaking? Yes, that's it. Thanks for your help.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can screenshot a picture if you want to try these at home.